Cam Tester 2, Camfil's mobile energy auditor with integrated fan, flow controller, and pressure transducer used to measure filter performance on all styles of HVAC air filters. The remote display measures and shows the set airflow rate in cubic feet per minute, the air filter's static pressure, and the energy consumption of the integrated fan in watts. Today's test is going to compare two out-of-the-box air filters: a Grainger air handler 95% bag filter and a Camfil Hi-Flo ES MERV 14 14A bag filter. The Grainger air handler product is a charged synthetic 95% bag filter with 10 22-inch deep pockets. The Cam Tester 2 is constructed with clear panels, so all of the internal systems and points of measurement can be seen. First we turn on the unit and then install the filter upstream of the fan. The filter installs into the front of the unit into a traditional HVAC style filter holding frame. The next step is to adjust the flow controller to a desired set point. When comparing HVAC filters, 2000 CFM is a typical industry standard for a full-size 24 by 24 inch air filter. The Cam Tester 2's remote display shows the airflow, filter static pressure, and watts of energy being consumed by the fan. These three values are crucial components in knowing how much energy a filter demands to operate. These values are dependent on how well the filter is designed, as well as the quality of the filtration media itself. Here we see an initial static pressure reading of 0.51 inches of water gauge at 2000 CFM. On this bag filter, you can clearly see a lot of pocket-to-pocket contact, and this restricts airflow through the filter. Now we are going to test a fine fiber Camfil Hi-Flo ES MERV 14 bag filter with the same 10 by 22 inch pocket design. Not all air filter products are the same. As mentioned earlier, filter design and filtration media are two key factors which ultimately determine how much energy a filter demands during operation. Here we see an initial static pressure reading of 0.39 inches of water gauge at 2000 CFM, or about 25% lower than the Grainger air handler bag. Quality filtration media and optimized tapering of the filter pockets are two main reasons for this improved performance. Pocket separation allows air to pass through the air filter with less restriction, therefore limiting the power needed by the fan. Side by side you can see the remote displays. The Hi-Flo ES is the clear winner here, even if we went as far as to assume that these filters loaded the same with dust over the course of a year, which they don't due to their material differences, and we assume 10 cents per kilowatt hour energy costs. It will actually cost over $40 more to operate this Grainger bag filter over 1 year than it will the Hi-Flo ES. When a filter has the same MERV rating as the MERV A rating, this is an indication that the filter is designed to hold its rated efficiency over its life. Many charged synthetic products on the market do not show a MERV A rating because many filters lose performance during use. If filtering efficiency is important to you, always look or ask for the MERV A rating. As we all know, energy costs money, and in most cases is around 80% of the total cost of operating an air filter. When initial filter price is the only consideration, lower quality air filters actually end up costing facilities even more money and energy. Even though we are testing new filters in this test, the Cam Tester 2 is also a great tool for measuring dirty filters to see the difference in how filters perform after being loaded with dirt. Contact your local Camfil representative to see how the Cam Tester 2 can help your facility save money. Thank you.